Hey everyone, Fred out in the shop at Fix It with Fred here talking about brakes. We're going to talk about pads today. Another day we'll do a video on rotors. So how often should you replace your brake pads? Normally brake pads last 30 to 50,000 miles except for some weird extreme cases. How do you know when you need new brake pads? Well, these brake pads here are 4 millimeters thick. And here's how we came to that conclusion. We take a brake thickness gauge and we measure that pad. Notice I didn't use a percentage. Percentage is too subjective to the person checking. A nice set of thickness gauges where you can see these brake pads with this thickness need replaced. The yellow ones need watched and the green ones are good to go. So when you need brake pads, what kind of pads should you buy? There's all these options for different materials, different warranties. The most important thing is make sure the brake pads you buy will do the job that your family or your business needs your vehicle to do. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you again soon.